off. Damn, the milliwatts on any deck block. That's nice.
You've arrived.
Oh man. Oh, some leaves. That's slippery shit. Bruh! I don't know.
I like this spot.
This spot's pretty dope. Ooh. Oh no!
My shit's gotta be tiny fresh when I get it back.
Oh yeah, these batteries are all freshly charged too. Watch me just like plug in and all my shit catches on fire. Just poof. Is it? A wet hit too. God damn. Holy fuck. Oh my god. Whoa. Just fucking. Holy balls. I need some like water to clean that off. Fucking boof. Full splat. I need some agua to clean this off. That's how you know your shit's built well, when you can dip it in fucking water. This is no conformal footing. Just fucking find the nearest puddle. Kerplunk. We are good to go, sir. Oh my god, that was amazing. No, I was stuck in the tree. And then when it fell out, it literally just landed face first into this mud patch and went. And the whole front was covered in mud. So while it's still on, I just dunked it in some water. Like face first into a puddle. And I'm completely clean and ready to go. I just gotta change one prop, but we're done. Check it out. Look how clean it is. I just went in the water.
Fucking car wash in the puddle.
Yeah, dude, it was full on. The whole front was mud.
Damn.
And now it's super solid. Brushless motors don't give a fuck. We're back up and running. Damn, that looks crazy. What channel are you on?
Nice one. We should be good.
Okay, I'll turn on the far side of my car. You good? You good? Yeah. All right. Cool. So contrasty. Oh, now you good? Whoa, that was fucking. I saw you. That was a little twitchy. My earbud's about to fall out. Okay, we're good. Damn, bro. What happened to that awning? Wasn't there like an awning over there at one point? Alright, you're good. Oh god, I can't go that way. Dude, it's so contrasty, I can't see shit. Whoa, no! Yeah, it's 5880 is the channel. I think that car's back. Oh, so scary. Dude, for not being able to see, it's pretty intense. Ooh, I didn't even need to touch that. Damn, getting a little squirrely. Come on, Mr. Steve, roll up in there. Woof. Somebody commented on one of my videos the other day and was like, every time I watch this guy fly, it looks like he's fucking trying to do like the ultimate combo. Because I'm doing like 1,000 tricks at once. It's like, I was like, I learned that from Tony Hawk Pro Skater back in the day. You gotta be like doing 1,000-point combos at every turn. That was a ripped battery for sure. There we go. Ah!
See you, Steele.
The quickness. See you, Steve.
What do we do it for? For the